Hey, it's Stacy from Proven Winners Color Choice Shrubs and the Gardening Simplified show and podcast. And I'm going to take a minute here to show you the difference between deer and rabbit damage. Now, of course, if something is very tall, you know it's going to be deer damage because a rabbit can't reach that far. But if something's kind of more middle height, you might not know the difference because I have seen rabbits stand on their hind legs to chomp something off a plant. A lot of times they'll just take it down at the ground and chow it down that way. But I have also seen them stand on their hind legs. But it's very, very easy to tell the difference between deer and rabbit damage, and here's how. When a deer eats a plant, its teeth are such that it chomps down and then it tears. So you're going to see this characteristic torn type of damage. And this is an oak leaf hydrangea. And of course, deer do love hydrangeas, but I am able to grow some of these because they do get a little bit taller than the deer, and eventually they do leave them alone. And so you can see here and back here, when you see this kind of fibrous, uneven cut, that is a telltale sign that it was a deer that did the damage. And this is rabbit damage. Now again, if the damage is way up high in a plant, you know it's a deer. But if it's down low, you really can't tell if it's a deer or a rabbit because deer will certainly graze on the ground, and of course rabbits will as well. But rabbit damage has a telltale sign. It's always at a very neat and tidy angle. So you're not going to see like those fibers because the rabbits don't rip. They have teeth that just make a neat cut on a diagonal, and that leaves a clean cut like this. So dealing with deer and rabbit damage is essentially the same. You're going to try to use some sort of repellent or some sort of physical barrier, but it's good to know the difference so that you can take appropriate precautions for anything that is taller that the deer might eventually get into. We hope that you'll like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more gardening tips and information. Thanks for watching.